In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a reversal entry in the system. Whether it's correcting a mistake or handling adjustments, reversal entries ensure your records remain accurate and up to date. Let's dive in and learn how to perform this essential task step by step.
First, simply go to the transaction. Then go to the reverse voucher. In reverse voucher, just simply enter the posting date and click on View Report. Now select the voucher you want to reverse by just clicking on the Reverio view in the action. Here you can see that the expense is credit and the bank amount is debited. Then post it by clicking the Post button in the top left. Now if you want to verify it, then simply go to the inquiry, select the posting date and verify it from the list.
And this is the procedure of reversing the voucher.